Welcome back, space explorers. Today we're leaving Earth behind and traveling deep into the universe for some amazing cosmic facts that will blow your mind. Buckle up, it's time to blast off. Space is completely silent. There's no air to carry sound waves, so even if two astronauts scream next to each other without radios, they'd hear nothing. The sun makes up more than 99% of our solar system's mass. Everything else, planets, moons, asteroids, and comets, share less than 1%. One day on Mercury lasts longer than 1 year. On Mercury, it spins so slowly that it completes one rotation slower than it orbits the sun. Jupiter is so massive that it could fit more than 1/300 Earths inside it. Its gravity also protects us by pulling in comets and asteroids that might otherwise hit Earth. Space smells. Astronauts report that after spacewalks, their suits smell like hot metal, seared steak, and welding fumes. Neutron stars are unbelievably dense. A teaspoon of a neutron star would weigh about 1 billion tons. That's like squeezing Mount Everest into a spoon. Venus spins backward. It rotates in the opposite direction of most planets, meaning the sun rises in the west and sets in the east. There's a planet made of diamonds. 55 Cancria scientists believe much of its surface could be carbon crystallized into pure diamond. If you could fly an airplane straight up, it would take just over an hour to reach space. Space officially begins about 62 miles, or 100 kilometers, above Earth's surface, known as the Kármán line. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on every beach on Earth. Each star could have its own planets, possibly trillions of worlds out there waiting to be discovered. Black holes don't suck everything in like a vacuum. If our sun were replaced by a black hole of the same mass, Earth would continue orbiting it, just in darkness. The footprints on the moon will last for millions of years. There's no wind or water to erase them, so every astronaut's step is frozen in time. Mars has the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons. It's about 3 times taller than Mount Everest and as wide as the entire state of Arizona. There's raining glass on some planets. On HD 199733b, fierce winds blow molten glass sideways at 4,000 miles per hour. A storm you'd never survive. Saturn's rings are mostly made of ice and dust. They may look solid, but they're actually billions of tiny frozen particles orbiting in harmony. If you cry in space, your tears won't fall. They'll just stick to your face. Without gravity, water clings to your skin in floating blobs. You can see the past when you look at the stars. The light from distant stars takes thousands or even millions of years to reach us. So you're literally seeing history in the sky. The largest known star, Stephenson 218, is about 2,000 times wider than our sun. If it replaced the sun, it would stretch all the way past Saturn's orbit. A year on Neptune lasts 165 Earth years. That means if you were born there, you'd have to wait over 1.5 centuries for your first birthday. Astronauts grow taller in space. Without gravity compressing their spine, they can stretch about 2 inches taller, though they shrink back once they return to Earth. There are rogue planets drifting through space without a star. They were likely thrown out of their solar systems, lonely travelers in the dark. Some galaxies collide and merge to form new ones. Our own Milky Way is on a slow-motion crash course with the Andromeda Galaxy, but it'll take about 4 billion years. The Hubble Space Telescope has traveled over 4 billion miles while orbiting Earth. It's helped scientists see galaxies over 13 billion light-years away, almost to the beginning of time. You could fit about 50 moons inside Earth, but over 60 Earths could fit inside Uranus. Space has no shortage of mind-bending scale. And finally, the universe is still expanding. Galaxies are moving away from each other faster and faster, meaning space itself is stretching. Scientists believe this mysterious force is powered by something called dark energy.